Hi everyone, my name is Simone Alessandria, and welcome to my course Storing Data Locally with Flutter. I'm an author, trainer, speaker and developer at softwarehouse.it, and I love Flutter. Most apps today need to store data, and with Flutter you can choose between tens of different tools. On the other hand, there is not a single option that works in every case. The great news is that you are in the right place. This course will help you choose the best option for your app, depending on your needs. Some of the major topics we will cover include SharedPreferences, Sembast, SQLite, Moor, and local files. By the end of this course, you'll know how to choose and use the most relevant data storage solution for your Flutter app. In order to follow this course, you should have some previous experience with Flutter. If this is your first time with Flutter, I recommend you follow the Flutter Getting Started course first, and then you can come back here. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Flutter with the Storing Data Locally with Flutter course at Pluralsight.